Every action has equal and opposite reaction. This is called Newton third law. Sudden application of brake in a moving car bus causes passenger to lean forward. This is called Newton first law. A passenger sitting in train running at a constant speed throws a ball in vertical upward direction. बॉल कहाँ गिरेगा, उसके हाथी में गिर जाएगा. The unused book remained on the shelf for 2 years until it was removed. This is example of Newton's self law of inertia होगा ये. A person is standing on a boat in still water. If he moves towards the shore, the boat will move away from the shore. As soon as the train starts moving, the head of passenger sitting in the backwards. The reason for this inertia of stability. Newton theory which provides flying of bird. Newton third law. The rate of change of momentum of object is proportional to applied force. Newton second law है F बराबर dp by dt. If you move the tree branch, then some of its leaves get detached from tree. This is due to law of inertia. An example which illustrates Newton's first law of motion: when a bus starts suddenly, the passengers are jerked backwards. Isaac Newton formulated three law of motion. The equation for Newton's second law of motion is F बराबर ma. The other name of Newton's first law of motion is law of inertia. Mass: the object which have high mass have high inertia. The mass of object remains same at everywhere. Quantity does not change even after changing place. इसको कहते हैं mass. The unit measure inertia of object, इसको कहते हैं mass. The measurement of a mass on object is called measurement of inertia. The definition of mass: amount of matter contained in object is called contained in the matter of the mass of that object. Mass per unit volume of a substance is called density. The mass of object is fixed, does not change when it is moved. If f and x a are given, the formula is for mass is f बराबर ma होता है, तो m बराबर f by a हो जाएगा. That's it. Let's see this numerical. Small numerical है. W दिया है. W बराबर mg फार्मूला होता है अगर कभी भी, और इसी से हम मास निकाल सकते हैं. You have to memorize formula only. W बराबर mg फार्मूला इंपॉर्टेंट है. P बराबर mg फार्मूला भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस फार्मूला बहुत है इंपॉर्टेंट. इधर ही फार्मूला देख लेते हैं कुछ आपका. जैसे यहाँ पर है E बराबर P बराबर mgh होता है, फार्मूला इंपॉर्टेंट है. Ke बराबर 1/2 mv स्क्वायर होगा. और यहाँ पर E और V का रेशियो है जो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. एनर्जी है ना, वेलोसिटी के स्क्वायर का डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है. E1/E2 बराबर E2/E1 बराबर V2 स्क्वायर बाई V1 स्क्वायर. P बराबर mgh यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला लगेगा.